Hey you guys, so if you all saw my last video, I received a package from Kinkistry. Kinkistry has curly extensions, and in this video I will be installing these KurlNexis hair extensions. It blended in really nicely with my hair, so if you all want to see the process, then just stay tuned. I'm going to show you how I got it. Okay, y'all, so this is how I'm starting off. My hair is freshly clean. Y'all see these gray hairs everywhere. A shame. But this is the Kinkistry little satin bag I got. And this is how the hair looked packaged up. It's 12 inches. And this is how it looked not co-washed. This is how it looked fresh out the package after I touched it and all. And this is how it looked co-washed. And this is like a comparison. The co-washed side is shinier. It has a little bit more length, and yeah. So I did not want to apply the clip-ins all over my head since this was my first time trying them. So I opted to do two little braids in the front. So this is me parting off the section for it, parting off this side and then the other side. And as you may know, if you watched a few of my videos, I'm big on moisture and my moisture routine. So even these two sections is going to be braided up has to be moisturized. So I'm going in with my spray bottle, and then I'm going to apply some products and comb it through with my hairbrush. But I'm going to apply it ends to roots because I want my hair to be moisturized. So this is the Hydrolux Moisturizing Enhancer Gel. Is good with curly hair, natural hair, and extensions. This is the product that they sent for me to use along with it, or that I could use along with it. And since it was sent, obviously I was going to try to use it. It did not blend well with my products. I tried multiple different products while filming this. Y'all don't know that, but you know I did. But you know, just kind of help with that and to seal in the moisture, I apply my hair oil and I comb my hair through with a fine tooth comb. And here I am braiding my hair. Y'all, I can't explain how to braid. This is not a braiding tutorial whatsoever, but I am braiding my hair. And since I am right-handed, this is my right side, and this is just always it's my left side. I don't know. This is just the easier side for me to do. The other side is always harder. This may not even, I think that's my left side. I don't even know. I'm also going to use the Hydrolux gel to lay the edges. It gave a light hold, but you know, it did smooth them down. Like, you know, y'all can see it smoothed them down. It gave it a nice little sheen to it. Yeah, it did pretty well if I say so myself. But again, it was a very light hold, which you would see at the end. Like, it did not hold them down, but it was cute while it lasted. And I did the same moisture routine on this side, and now I'm just parting off a section on top to start braiding. So I was having a hard time explaining it. This is my right side, and it's just harder to do the right side because my left hand has to grip. That's why the left side is easier because my right hand grips it. Yeah, that's yeah. And this is how the Hydrolux gel laid the other side of my hair. I'm not going to talk so much, just let you see me do it. Little white flakes. That's what I meant by not mixing well on my products, but that's okay. So I took the metal end of my fine tooth comb to push the little, pieces of hair underneath the braid that didn't, make it. But this is me pulling my hair up to see how it will look. And I'm going to start in the back. So I split the back section pretty much in half. And now I am just putting in the clip ends. As I'm doing it, I'm just making sure the clip ends are wet. My hair is wet. And this is how it looks when I clip it in. And my hair is fine. I have thin hair or fine hair. I don't know. It's like a specific word, and both of them mean something different. But I think it's fine. And since I have fine hair, it's hard for a small area of my hair to cover a large area of my hair, if that makes sense. So that's why half of my hair is not being used with the clips. So that whole top piece is going to be used to cover the clips, if that makes sense. And I'm just snapping them in. Like, it's not nothing hard. It's really, really easy. I just parted off sections and snapped them in. And this is how it is looking as I go through. You can see the hair itself is blending in really well with my hair. They did a good job sending me this hair type because it blended in very well. But now I am starting the moisture routine in the back. So I sprayed it with water, combing it through, really making sure my hair is all blending together. And then I'm going to apply my product all throughout the hair and work it through. I will not be using a Hydrolux in the back because, I don't want no flakes in my hair. So yeah, just using a regular cream product like I would normally do on my normal wash and goes. But I will say, what you will see at the end, these clip-ins gave me more of a voluminous look versus like length because the hair is just 12 inches. I do wish it was a little longer so I would have got volume and length, but since it was just 12 inches, it gave me a nice amount of volume. But even with that, it blended in with my hair so well. But as you can see right here, I am working the product through my hair, and I am about to do the top half. I'm doing the top half off camera because I was filming content for YouTube and Instagram. It was a lot. So I am doing the top half. And this is how my hair looked once that was done. This is right after I got done. I'm showing you the back. I showed you how I pulled the braids back and put it in a little ponytail and how the top is hiding the tracks. And this is the hair once it was completely dry. This is all day one hair. And it's pretty. It's voluminous. It looks nice. This was the next day. I spritzed my hair with water as a light little refresh to bring the curls back to life. But as you can see, that looked really nice. And then this was my hair, like, at the end of the day. And look at the volume, y'all. You cannot tell the difference between the tracks and my hair, like the curls. I had a lot of volume, like I said. And I'm going to show you right here. This is the track curl, and the one in the front is my hair. Other than a slight color difference, you really can't tell the difference. And then this is just another viewage of it in natural lighting in my bedroom. In the bathroom. The upcoming clip is day 3 hair, which you will see. I should have said this earlier in the video, but Kinkistry has 7 different hair types, 3A all the way to 4C. 7 curl types for natural hair, with 3 curl types being exclusively for type 4 hair. So check them out. But if you all enjoyed this video, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, share this video with a friend, and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye.